how to transfer money from USA to Albania. Now, first of all, we will use Remitly. Why Remitly? Because it has the lowest fees. And if you use the link below, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without paying any fees. Now, select your destination that you want to transfer from. In this case, it will be United States. Now, your recipient destination, in this case, it will be Albania. Now, enter the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be $1,000 or any amount that you want to transfer. And after that, click on Get This Rate. Now, log into your account. If you don't see your recipient destination here, now click on it and now enter the country. Now, in this case, it will be Albania. Now, as you can see, this is the amount that you want to transfer. In this case, it will be $1,000 or any amount that you want to transfer. And now select the payment method. As you can see, debit card. Now click on Continue. Now, the delivery method, if you want with debit card, you can select it, or the bank deposit, it's temporarily unavailable. Now we'll just click on bank account. If in this case it will be, as you can see, you will only be delivered to debit card. Now we'll just go back and now click on debit cards because it's express, and this is the fees that you will pay. In this case, it will be 4.99 USD, and this is the recipient who will receive. This is the amount that you will receive. Now just click on Continue, and now as you can see, select the debit card and now click on Continue. Now make sure to provide the recipient debit card here to be able to transfer that money to. Now, if you want to provide the recipient mobile number, if you don't, click on Skip. Now, if you don't, just click on Skip. So after that, you need to add your debit card to be able to transfer that money. But before going on transferring that money, make sure to double check your debit card info to be able to transfer the money to your recipient. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Albania. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.